Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So on my lips today I'm wearing the Fog Allures. I think this is satin lipstick, liquid lipstick in the shade Flirt. It doesn't dry down matte, so it does transfer. So if you want something long lasting, then this is not it. So in one of my vlog I told you guys that I use a DIY night serum, and I told you guys that I will show you like how to do it. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this serum, and when you use this serum consistently your skin will become really healthy. It will become really glowy, and whatever scars or discoloration, I mean, I don't want to repeat the same thing, it'll just make your skin really healthy and look extremely good. Like in the mornings I wake up, and even after I wash my face, my skin looks like I've done some kind of treatment or some kind of skincare on it. When even on days when I don't apply moisturizer, it looks really nice and hydrated and very plump and supple. So it's very simple. All you're going to do is take some natural aloe vera gel. Now in this case I would say for you to use the gel only and not the plant. The gel will work better because we need that consistency. So you're just going to take a little bit of aloe vera gel. Any brand can do. I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand. Now obviously you can mix all these ingredients together and store it for like about 5 days, but as you all know, I like making my skincare in packs and everything really fresh, so that's the reason I just like to put it on my hand. Now to this you're just going to add some vitamin E oil from the capsule. You can use the green one, but I prefer the golden one for some reason, so I'm just going to use one whole capsule actually, and that's the reason I like to make it every day, so that I'll know exactly how much I'm putting. So I'm just going to use the whole capsule, and to this I'm going to use a little bit of almond oil. You can use sweet almond oil. Now if you go back to my I'm just going to use about 5 drops of this. If you go back to my older videos, you will know that I used to use almond oil a lot in my DIYs. It's extremely good for your skin. It improves your complexion. It improves the overall health of your skin. So this I'm just going to mix it. Now this is a very, very heavy serum, so I'm going to tell you what to do. I'm just going to mix it really well until it turns like this. You can see it turns like almost into like a cream, and then I'm going to massage it on my skin. Now make sure to take this time and really massage your face really well, because it helps. Massaging really helps your face as well. It gets the blood circulation going, so it's really good for your skin. I'm just going to put my hair behind and I'm going to massage it. Now once you massage this into your skin, you're going to leave this for 15 to 20 minutes. That's more than enough. And now after 15 to 20 minutes, I will come back and tell you what you can do. Now for oily skin girls, there's something else that I want you to do, and for dry skin girls, there's a complete different thing that I want you to do. So I'm just going to leave this on for 15 minutes, come back and tell you what to do. So I've left this on my face for about 15 minutes. And so the difference is, if you are someone who has oily skin, you are going to use a mild cleanser and wash this off your face, because vitamin E oil is quite heavy as by itself, so you don't want to leave this for too long. It can be too heavy for your skin. So if you have oily skin, you're going to use a gentle cleanser. Don't use anything really harsh or drying. Use a gentle cleanser and wash it off. But if you have dry skin like I do, you are just going to use some warm water and wipe it off. Why do you leave it for 15 to 20 minutes? Because your skin will absorb the oil, the serum, you know, it needs, and then whatever is left is just going to make your skin very heavy, and if you are acne prone, then it might cause breakouts. So you are just going to wipe it off gently. Now remember, again, if you have oily skin, use a gentle cleanser and remove it off. If you have dry skin, you are just going to wipe it off. Once you wipe off your face, there will be some oil left, which is good, which is enough for your skin. Now if you have it on your eyebrows, just leave it. I usually leave it because it will help with your eyebrows to grow, and even on your neck, it's extremely anti-aging. Your neck starts aging first when compared to your entire face, so leave it on your neck. I also leave little excess around my eyes so that it helps with any kind of fine lines and wrinkles and any dark circles. So this honestly is like one solution for a lot of problems, for multiple problems, and you don't need to do your skincare after this. This is more than enough. I've been using this every night for some days, and as you can see, my skin looks extremely glowy and supple, and in the morning when you wake up, your skin will look so gorgeous, so beautiful. It will look like you've got some facial done, or you've done some kind of treatment. So try it and let me know how you like it. Again, you can use any almond oil, but facial almond oil. Don't use the ones that you use for your hair. So you can use any almond oil, any aloe vera gel, and those vitamin E capsules. So it's very, very inexpensive, and it works amazing on your skin. So try it, and I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.